Cleaning your pool doesn't have to be hard man swimming. This Y10 cordless pool cleaner makes it super easy. This lightweight robotic pool vacuum offers powerful suction, cordless operation, and automatic cleaning for pools up to 1,100 sq.ft, perfect for quick and hassle-free maintenance. Cordless design. No cables, just drop it in your pool and let it clean automatically. 90-minute runtime. Enough battery life for small to medium pools in one cycle. Powerful suction. Effectively removes dirt, leaves, and debris from the pool floor. Self-parking function. Automatically parks near the edge when the battery is low for easy retrieval. Lightweight and compact. Easy to carry, handle, and store without any hassle. Easy to use. Simple one-button operation, perfect for beginners. Lightweight and portable. Easy to lift in and out of the pool. Affordable option. Great entry-level robotic cleaner for smaller pools. Shorter battery life. 90 minutes may not be enough for larger pools. Floor-only cleaning. Doesn't clean walls or waterline. This is perfect for pool owners with small to medium pools who want a simple, budget-friendly cleaning solution. If you want an easy and affordable way to keep your pool clean, check out the Y10 cordless pool cleaner using the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home and pool tech reviews.